Pandas! Good morning, everybody. Sorry, I was in the middle of a trade. I lost track of time. And I'm in a stinker right now. An absolute stinker. But we'll see what happens here. I'm pretty sure I'm dead here. Absolute stinker here. But we'll see. There's still hope. In the middle, it was the second entry long, but it ended up trapping out. Second entry long. Coming off our trend line here. Alright, second entry long, coming off our trend line. And it ends up trapping. Instead of getting out, I just scaled in. Ooh, a little pop up here. Thinking of either being greedy or coming out break even. If I can. A little pop up. Had some life, but not much. It looks dead here. This could be the end. Kaputs. Oh, that's looking bearish. Lower highs, lower lows, downtrend. Coming off this channel. Sorry, fans. I'm in the middle of one. We do have news today at 10 o'clock. So we could chop around here a little bit. Ooh, a little pop up here. Let's see if we get some life here still. See if there's still life in this. Let's see if there's still life in this. I could skunk it right now and just be happy with, you know, $400 loss. Let's hold. Let's see. Let's see if market open is our friend or enemy today. Maybe it'll last to market open. Oh, we shall see. Okay, a little pop up here. That's good news for me. Oh, decent pop up. Come on, I could have came out break even there. Oh man, just I'm out. I'm out break even. I'm actually a little positive, pandas. I don't know how I survived that. Absolutely insane. Just came out break even. Next trade, pandas. Next trade. That's all that matters. Goodness gracious. Next trade. That was scary. I scaled in one time. Came out break even. Let me correct that. Came out plus 30. I came out positive, actually. But I'm going to count my record as 0-0 right now. Jeez Louise. How scary is that? High or low, maybe a decent trade, but fails to get you short, the best trade. If you're really eager to go long here. But market's about to open in about 2.5 minutes. Pandas, let's stay calm. Let's breathe. Let's just be happy we survived that. And let's move on to the next trade. Pandas, how you doing? Crimson Demon. Good morning. Make sure you scalp that like button. Drop a GM in the chat if you haven't already done so. Donald Smith. Rain Uzu. Good morning, everybody. Jeez Louise, that was insane. The max loss I would have taken was $1,000. But my probability... Why did I decide to scale in that one? It's just because the second entry long looked really good. Like, it looked like this when it triggered. When something like looks like this when it triggers, it's kind of like... Yeah. Looks decent. I end up scaling in, coming out break even on that trade. I'm glad I came out break even and didn't hold it because we are dropping again. Now, like, all eyes are on this channel here. Market opening in less than a minute here. Ooh. Getting ready just for rapid movement. I should be far away enough from the market to be safe for any volatile moves. Unless, like, something crazy happens. 15 seconds, market open. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off. All right. Blast off fails. Nothing really happens. It's going back and forth, back and forth. It's dropping. Okay, it's dropping. Push up here. Ooh, trapped to the downside. I'm actually looking to go long right now. But we are on a downtrend. Ooh, another push down. Makes a new low, right? Lower highs, lower lows. Maybe I should not be looking for a long trade here. Let's try. Let's see what things await us here. Breaking this uptrend. I mean, I have to have a wide stop here to survive this. Which is what I hate about this market. About trading 2500 tick chart. Higher low would be great for me. Higher low would be great for me. Get the higher low here. Okay, no higher low. Micro double top. The fact that I couldn't break out there makes me feel like it's going to drop. Ooh. Ooh. Remember, there's news at 10 o'clock today. Second just short here. It'll pop up, maybe. Having a hard time breaking above the 20 MA. Okay. Nice pop up above the 20 MA. Very strong pop up. Very strong pop up. Very strong pop up. Shoryuken! Oh, Shoryuken! Easy peasy. The trade was a fourth entry long. Right, it's just two two-legged pullbacks in a row. A, B, C, and another A, B, C. Two two-legged pullbacks in a row off a support here. I think we got more fuel in the tank here to really go up. Notice on the 5-minute chart, we just filled the gap. I mean, we got very close to filling the gap. For all intents and purposes, gap is filled. Goodness gracious. And with that, pandas. Oh, we're still negative. I thought we were positive on the counts. Crimson Demon Panda. Before you enter a trade, you need to say the magic word ABC like 3 years ago. It brings good luck. ABC. ABC. I should start counting legs for you guys. I only did that because it helps people, you know, learn about two-legged pullbacks or ABC patterns. It's just easier to say ABC rather than first leg, second leg, third leg. You know, first pullback, first entry, second pullback, second entry. It's just a mouthful to say so much. especially in a market when like timing is everything. Okay, popping up here. So it feels like it's just short. It's not the prettiest, right? And it comes in like a little small trading range here. It does pop up a little bit, maybe enough for a scalp. But I'm just sitting on my pause. We do have news at 10. We're at 490 pan. There's nothing to complain about right now. Nothing to complain about right now. Absolutely not. Ooh, second entry long here. But it just looks a little bit choppy to me. It looks a little bit choppy. Lots of overlap. I mean, it could pop up, but in this chop, in this sit on my pause. The better setup is to wait till this cracks down a little bit, then comes back up. That's your better setup, right? Trying to break out of this trading range, crack down a little bit here, and then it reverses back up. That's a better setup. It's actually a second entry long still here. Second entry long, coming off the 20 MA. Sucker. Alright, I'm in. Risk 10 points for a new high? Risk 10 points for a new high, perhaps? New high? Second entry long? Ooh. Ooh, looks like new high. Almost certain, but
Target filled.
Easy peasy. This is coming off the 20 EMA and it had like the small consolidation here, which was kind of nice. A, B, C. Second entry long. Nice move up. I mean, you're thinking the daily chart will try to fill this gap. You're thinking the daily chart will try to fill the gap. You're thinking the weekly chart also will try to fill the gap, right? Because it happened on Monday, the gap down. So both the weekly and the daily have a gap. We're breaking out retest. 2500 tick chart, strong bull bar ending on its high, no follow through, giving signals we might be turning into a trading range. Right, when you get like strong bull bars, no follow through, I mean, it's just like there's no clearer way to show you that this isn't a limit order market other than that. Could be a trading range using this cluster of bars. I'll push up. Let's see though. Pandas, how y'all doing? How y'all doing? Actually, not bad here as well. Double key area. Overall, very nice trade. Yikes. I could have got more, but I mean, if I had a runner, sure. No runner, it's kind of hard to swing. I mean, we're thinking we're going to fill the gap, right? We're thinking we're filling that gap. 5-minute big mama here. I'm taking it. But news, we got news though. I don't know. Maybe I'll just wait till news. I'm okay with skipping it too. I'm up 790. Nothing to no rush here, pandas. We're up 790. Julie Martindale says, I just joined. What stock is this? Oh, I just joined. Which stock is this? I'm a demonstrator. Punctuation, my friends. Very important. These are futures, actually, and this future is a derivative of the Nasdaq. So it's basically leveraged Nasdaq. So you can trade with a lot smaller margins than you would have to trade. Right? To actually purchase one Nasdaq would cost you $21,000. But the futures let you leverage, and so it's just on margins really. Small commissions to enter. Right? You pay with a commission to use the margins, the futures margins, and every point is 20. It's basically leveraged by 20 points or 20 times. I mean, I gotta. I don't know. I feel like I gotta try. And also, we're trading with prop firms, so you basically trade with free money. Basically, okay, guys. I'm saying basically. You have to pay some fees, but I mean, you're paying a small amount of fees to gain essentially like $5,000. I would say it's virtually free money, depending on what account you open. That Big Mama fails. I'm glad I didn't jump in on that. I'm just thinking news is gonna make this a little bit choppy until actually news passes. But I mean, I'm certainly thinking we're gonna try to fill the gap here. Right, this Big Mama here fails, and we're gonna try to hit the Big Mama. We're gonna try to fill the gap. Eventually, I think it's gonna come back up. Maybe after another 10, maybe another pullback, another 10 back up. I'll try again. If you want to learn more about prop firms, go ahead and look at the link in the description. How to join Apex. You can use code BBM for 80% off. By the way, Pandas, this code ends tomorrow. Take advantage of it while it still lasts. That looks ugly. 1 day left. How about that? It's the second entry long. Let's see if we can capture a trend line here. You can make a case for it. The overshoot here makes me feel like there's going to be an undershoot first. Kind of want to wait for that overshoot to play out with the undershoot. The undershoot could happen with this second pullback. So we have an ABC pattern. A, B, C. Terrible signal bar, though. You got to wait for a better signal bar than that, in my opinion. And I would like it if it actually touches this line. If anything, I like it to break through a little bit and come back up. We're not even touching this line, which is concerning. It is a second entry long, though. There it is. That's actually, I prefer that happening. I actually prefer this push down and we come back up. Oh, I love this. ABC pattern. I mean, oh no, please get in. No. All right, I'm in. If we lose, we lose. I don't mind. But I like the setup. Coming off our trend line. 20 made beautiful signal bar. Overshoot to the undershoot. I mean, has everything you need in a trade, and I love it. I love this. I love it. If it doesn't work out, it is what it is. But when you see a setup like this, you just gotta take it. You gotta jump in. I mean, let's see how high can we fly? How high can we fly? I'm at least looking for a new high here. I will come in again with another position with a higher low. Okay, never mind. I also have bar reversal, so I'll let it play out. Shoryuken! So close. So close to my target here. So darn close. So dang close, and it's reversing. Uh-oh. So dang close. So dang close. Are we going to just lose this trade? Just straight up lose it? All right, Pandas. Putting all my marbles in this one here. Shoryuken! Give me a push! Give me a super push! No! just came out break even on my scaling. What in the world? It was so close to my target. And it just reverses on me like that? What in the world? A double top here currently. Wow, pandas. That's painful. That is truly painful. We have a double top here, but we're still clear above 20 minute on our trend line as well. It's another second entry long, but with a double top like this, pandas. A double top like this? Man, oh man, oh man. If it makes it now, that is just... I came out too soon. I simply came out too soon. That's just the facts. My cojones were just too small for this trade. I had a nice... I mean, even if I put at break even my original stop loss, I would have been in this trade still. It's because that scaling, I got greedy with that scaling. So greedy with that scaling. I mean, should I try another second entry, higher low? I guess. You gotta try, right? Ooh, pop down. Let's pop down here. Ooh. Interesting. Never actually hits it. Never actually hits my target. Pandas. I mean, what a skunk. This came out break even on that trade. It's all good. We're still up 780. Nothing to complain about, Pandas. So just... I'll update my score. I got it. Thanks. You're good. I'm 1-0, basically. Am I 1-0? 1... Yeah, basically 1-0. Wait, what? I'm 1-0? Oh no, I won this one and this. Oh no, I'm not 1-0. I'm 2-0, pandas. I could have been 3-0, but I got greedy. News about to drop in 14 minutes. Pandas. I got greedy. I scaled in. I mean, at the end, I don't know if it's gonna even work out, but it's a high base here. I don't know. This could be bad. Okay, I think we gotta make a new low here. I think we gotta make a new low first. Looks like trading range is starting to develop here. Second entry long. Coming back to the top of the trading range, perhaps. I kind of want news to drop before I make a move here, though. Fail second entry short would be hard to pass up here, though. I'll tell you that much. Or basically creating a trading range here. I mean, it would be wise to buy somewhere near the bottom. Sell somewhere near the top. That would be wise. But are we wise here today, pandas? Are we gonna be wise? Pandas! Ah, man. It was a good trade, too. Pretty decent trade. The Knowledge Hub. Make sure you guys drop a GM in the chat. Also, scalp that like button, pandas. I know you love the content. You know how I know? Because I love you guys. Push up here. Ooh. Okay. I don't know what you've been told. Fail second to short here. Very hard to pass this. In my opinion. Very hard to give this up here. Especially with the signal bar that looks like that. Whoa! In the top of the trading range. It could make sense just it bounces back down here. It could make sense. But we're like the third test right now, Pandas. I think we're going to break through. Typically, we do break through in situations like this. You see that strong bull bar. Strong bull bar, I might just buy again. Question is, how big of a stop loss do I want to have here? I guess technically this for my 1-to-1. It's like an explosive area. I mean, you got to think you're going to hit this, right? That has to be your target. You're thinking you're going to fill the gap, the weekly gap at least. Strong bull bar. I'm going to just buy again here. Okay, never mind. Worst case scenario, come out break even. I mean, you're thinking you're going to fill this gap, right? I mean, it's the weekly gap. I really have no reason to sell. Whoa! Do I have a reason to sell? Should I just get out here? All right, I'll take my profits there. It had a little spike up, and I was worried that it might just spike back down and like just tease you and not actually fill you. So I should have came out up here, but it moved too fast for me. My reflexes are not. I'm a panda, pandas. We'll take it. Easy peasy. We're hitting max today, pandas. Is that what's happening? Are we hitting max today? 3-0, pandas. I'm loving this price action. One more scalp, we'll hit max essentially. Famous last words though? I hope not. We're at $1,210 and it's not even, the news hasn't been hit yet. So I'm glad I took my profits there. I was worried it was gonna do a spike up like that and then just tease you and then just kill all those traders who are just banking on the fact that we're gonna hit this. I just take it out. I mean, we made some decent profits. Yes, we did. Made 430. How much did I leave on the table? 300. All right, it is what it is. At this point, I'm not sure what's gonna happen because we had a failed breakout. We're on 20 EMA now. Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, pandas, pandas. Push up. Decent push up. Are we going to fill the gap now is the question. Second entry long. Would I be willing to try here? That's how it looks like right now, so. Second entry long. What I don't like is a big up, big down. News about to drop in like 7 minutes. Ooh, we are popping up now. Ooh. I mean, what a deep pullback, right? All those people who took profits here. I mean, I gotta try. I should just fill this gap here. Like, free money? Is this not free money, pandas? Is this not free money? Is this not free money? Is that not free money? Oh my goodness, nothing's free in this market. Is that not free money? We fill the gap here. Is that not free money? Wait, what? What is this? The gap is up here, actually. That weekly gap. Alright, we're going to try. I don't like the big down, big up, though. I really don't like that. Is there such thing as free money in this market, pandas? Is there such thing as free money in this market? News about to drop in 5 minutes. Maybe I should sit on my pause here. I'm gonna get burned, aren't I? I'm gonna get burned, aren't I? I'm gonna get burned. I can only make 150 here. I believe I can only make 150 here. Because I'll hit max. It's not that much profits. I'm just trying to scalp out here, pandas. I don't know if I can do it. I don't know if it's going to happen. I don't know what's happening, actually. I don't know what's happening, but hopefully always in long on the 5-minute chart. We'll pop this up. Okay, almost filled me. It didn't even fill me. It didn't even fill me. It's just trickling up like a snail. Trickling up like a little snail bug thing here. Oh! We hit max. I mean, free money? I'll take it. I'll take free money. Goodness gracious, pandas, but it was a roller coaster just to get like 5 points right there. But we hit max. Pandas, we hit max. I mean, we're 4-0 today. We're jumping on sim, and it's not even, the news didn't even hit yet. News didn't even hit yet. Pandas, we just got that like button. Hopefully, you guys were following along today because we are killing it in the market. Yesterday, we had like a negative 500 day, which is great, right? Which is great. If you're gonna have an L, that's how much you want to lose. You don't want to lose too much. Like you want your losing days to be small. 500, you can make that up in 2 trades. But pandas, being up 1500, being green deep. When you're green, you're big green. That's what you want to hear. That's what you want to see. Pandas, we're killing it. Absolutely, we got our bamboo today. Is that even 10? I should end the stream right now. But you know what? I love this community too much. I love this community too much to leave. We're jumping on sim. There's no more reason to trade here. You know what? I'll trade for real though. I'll trade for real. I'll trade for real. As if it was real money. I'll trade as if this is real money right now. I'll trade as if this is real money. I'll trade as if this is real money. You know what I mean, Pandas? I'll trade as if this is real money. In my opinion, we have to fill this gap. Like, we have to. It's like no question about it. Okay, we'll take it like this. Okay, we filled the gap finally, Pandas. We trickled up there, but we filled it. No problem filling that gap today. I mean, look at the 5-minute chart. We literally made a beeline to it. We haven't even broken a previous candle's low yet. Just made a beeline to fill the gap on the weekly chart. The 5-minute, actually, the gap is a little bit higher on the 5-minute chart. right on the regular trading hours. The gap's a little bit higher actually here. I mean, I'm pretty certain we're gonna fill it. Jolt's job openings. I mean, let's just get in there. Jolt's job openings.
Target filled.
It's gonna jolt up.
Target filled.
Jolting upwards.
Target filled.
What a jolt.
Target filled.
Hitting all my targets. You gotta love that sound. Target filled. Target filled. You gotta love that sound. That should be like your soundtrack, I'm telling you. When you sleep at night. Just have that repeated over and over again. Target filled. Target filled. My computer is like completely dead. I can't even move. Oh, here we go. Jeez Louise. What in the world? Coming out break even if we have to here. We end up finally filling the gap on the 5-minute chart, right? The gap was right here. We filled it with a Jolt's job opening. Do we got more juice in the tank? Do we got more fuel in the tank, pandas? Or was that it? Is that all the market got? Just sick. Just sick. Wow, up 13K. Yeah, I have no idea. I'm up over like $100,000 right now. So easy trading. This trading thing is so easy. Just buy. Buy anywhere. So simple. Just trade with trend. Every pullback, just trade with trend. Trading is the simplest thing ever. Don't make it complicated. Just buy when the market goes up. Just buy. So easy. We're still in this channel. While we're still in this channel, first pull or first entries here are still good, looks like. Could have spoke too soon. We'll see the pandas. We'll see. Pandas. We are almost there. Almost hit our target, our first scalp. Just grinding up. What a grind. Oh, you know what we're doing here. You know exactly what we're going to do here. Keep it simple, pandas. Don't overcomplicate it. Just scale in 100 contracts at a time. This is a Patrick Weiland strategy. We're wilding out. Huh. Oh. 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 It didn't fill me. It only filled 33. Only filled like 87 of my contracts. Come on. You can do it. Come on. I believe. We're up $28,000 on like a 3-tick move. Trading's easy. Literally have infinite money and you just keep buying. That's how you make money in this market. You need infinite money first. Once you have infinite money, trading is very easy. First step, get infinite money. Second step, just keep buying no matter what. Strong bull bar on the 5-minute chart. Let's see if it's a limit order market now. Ooh. Ooh. Are we not going to hit our target here? It could just reverse. I don't mind. Because remember, step 1, infinite money. That's the most important part. Once you have that, once you secure the infinite money part, trading's easy. Pan, there's only 1 day left to use code BBM for 80% off. Take advantage of it. Why don't you? Seriously. Not only that, the other hit our target here.
Target filled.
Okay. Come out break even now. Right, that's a strat. If I can actually like, click on this, it's not doing anything. Strong bull bar. Ooh, this is like breaking out. There's no stopping this market. I cannot even move this. We were stuck. Ninja Trader's like, you're too good at trading. We're not going to allow you to move your charts anymore. We're going to give you a handicap. Okay. That is so dangerous. Whoa! What's going on? That is so dangerous. Said the operation timed out. I mean, imagine if this was actually like real money and that your Ninja Trader did that. That's like unacceptable. Is it taking me out break even here, perhaps? Psych. You know what? We're just gonna keep buying. Let's try again. Let's keep buying as long as we get pullbacks. Keep it simple, stupid. We actually didn't trigger. There it is. Had me worried for a bit. Trading is so easy. You just. Once you have infinite money, pandas, trading is so easy. I mean, I don't know why people complain about this trading stuff. This like 90% traders fail. I mean, that's a joke. It should be 90% traders succeed. I mean, is it that hard to have infinite money first? Well, up 13K, do a giveaway. Just keep buying until Ninja Trader crashes.
Target filled.
As silly as it is, it's working, right? We just buy anything, everything. As silly as it is, pandas, it's working right now. Just buy anything and everything. Like, you think I'm kidding? Keep it simple, stupid. 14 pushes up so far. I mean, we're in breakout mode. Notice a 5-minute chart. Not one single candle has broken a previous candle's low yet. And if it does, pandas, most likely it will be a small pullback. Most likely it'll be a small pullback. So there'll be limit order bulls just waiting underneath. Infinite money. That's the key. Whoa! It's like teleporting. This market's like teleporting. It seemed to hit some sort of wall there, though. Like right before it fills my target. It seemed to hit some sort of magical wall. Maybe it hit it this time. My mistake. I should keep scaling in here. I don't know what I'm doing, Panda. Sorry. I gotta keep scaling in. What am I thinking here?
Target filled.
I mean, you gotta love Ninja Trader. You can't even move your stuff. That's amazing. I know 100 contracts is a lot, but I'm sure there are people out there who trade 100 contracts, right? Technically, even with like Apex, if you trade max contracts across, let's say like, if you have 20 accounts and you trade like 5 contracts each on each account, you're trading 100 contracts. I mean, it's so simple. You just keep buying and you make free money. I mean, that's what the market is right now. Welcome to the new America. America 2.0. It just every high or low, just keep buying. There's no stopping this right now. Absolutely no stopping this. Wide stop, of course. And we're buying again at the bottom of a bar on the 5-minute chart. We're buying the bottom. The first time it breaks, a candle's... Pandas. Trading is the easiest thing I've done in my entire life. What is this? So easy. Just keep buying. That's all this market is.
Target filled.
Pandas, I don't know what to say. It's almost getting silly at this point. It's like almost silly. It's like a little too silly right now, this market. Hugh says, I checked the math. 20 times 5 is in fact 100. Yeah. So you think 100 contracts is a lot? Imagine trading 10 contracts across 20 accounts. You're trading 200 contracts. I mean, that's the power of Apex. Really. 20 accounts. It's absurd. Wide stop. Like ultra wide stop. I don't even care. Because what? The most important step about trading is this, Pandas. First, have infinite money. Trading is easy after that. Ooh. Can we get 20 pushes up? Is the question. That pullback is a little deeper than the other ones, right? This pullback's a little bit deeper than all these, but still, any pullback would feel like would be small. Keep scaling in. Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, pandas, pandas. Whoa, okay, okay, I see you. You're trying to test me a little bit. No big. Whoa, whoa! Whoa! What's going on? What in the world? Wait, did news drop? Did news drop somewhere? Someone tell me, did like another plane crash or something happen? That was wild. What in the world was that? I don't care. We're going long. That was crazy. Oh yeah, Robert Machero asks. They actually asked a question. How do resets work? Since I just renewed the month the night before, so I can't do the free reset. Can I leave it for a month, or can I pay for the reset and still be at the discounted monthly cost? Do resets on accounts keep you at the discounted month? Yes, it does. The reset is just straight up a reset at that point in time, and it simply just resets it. And even if you reset it the day before it renews, what you're going to do is you're going to end up paying again for the renewal. So the monthly fee is just the 80% off. What's probably better is if you just if you bust your accounts. Apex has a thing where if you bust your accounts and then the renewal happens, if your accounts are busted and you haven't canceled your accounts, then you will get a free reset, which is kind of nice, right? Kind of nice. Free reset. That was crazy, that volatility right there. I don't know if it's because my Ninja Trader got messed up or the market actually did that kind of price action. It just, I got to reload my historical because of that. That was a little bit wild. I don't think Ninja Trader is meant to be traded with 100 contracts at a time. I don't think it's meant to handle this. Bro must be Asian. No, I am a panda. By the way, pandas are back in the zoos. They are back. Buying again here. It's a higher or low. 2500 tick chart. One contract. What is the point of that? We've seen too much, pandas. We cannot go one contract anymore. We've seen too much. One contract doesn't hit anymore. At least 100 contracts per trade. If you're not trading at least 100 contracts while you're trading, what are you doing with your life? Seriously, just a waste of time. You gotta trade minimum 100 contracts at a time to make trading worth it. We're at 300 contracts now. It's easy 300. Wide stop, of course. If I can move this. I think any pullback will be small, so right on the 5-minute chart, you think any pullback will be small on the 5-minute? Oh, I can't move it. Wow. Here we go. So on the 5-minute, this is the first pullback, right? First time we ever broke a previous candle's low. So you're thinking if it does happen, it's gonna be small. I forgot to move my target there, so I mean, kind of came out prematurely. All right, I think I'm done with this. Currently, small downtrend. You gotta respect it. You think any pullback would be small at this point? Trend is so strong. Delete the stop. You don't even need it. Yeah, what's the point of this? But believe it or not, if I delete this, it'll also delete these up here. Right? It's a bit silly. So I can't get rid of these, it'll get rid of these up here. I believe that's how it works. I believe. High or low? Second entry long, but underneath the 20 MA. Alright. We're making one more new high. And we call it kaputs. Does that sound fair, pandas? And then we'll have the rest as like a runner. We'll have like a massive runner. Just in case, you know. Just in case something amazing happens, we'll have like a massive runner here. 5-minute, right? The first pullback was small. Just buy at the bottom. Most likely bulls waiting here. Limit order, seeing how strong this is. They're thinking they're very, very confident the market will at least come back up to break even at a certain point in time. Right? What I mean by that is like let's say they did buy here and did drop. They're thinking eventually it'll come back up to come out break even at least. At the very minimum, that's what they're thinking. Trading is so easy. we made that new high, which is our first target. All right, the rest here will be a runner. We'll do like whoa, why does it keep like going down? What we're gonna do is for the runner. I mean, we're still like 200 contracts. It's pretty good. It's still a lot. What we're gonna do with the runner is we're gonna swing trade it. We're gonna try to show how to swing a runner here. I think this might be the last swing up. Who knows? It's the second push up. I'll go over the swings, how to swing here. If I can move my if I can even move my charts, I can't right now. My charts are completely, oh, there it is. Jeez, Ninja Trader is the clunkiest application ever created in all of history. First off, definitely come out, well, let's just say this. If we break this low, we can pretty much assume this trade is kaputs, right? You can safely assume this trade is kaputs. The new high was created. Oh, okay. I typically come out break even here, but I'm just trying to show you how to swing trade. The difference between swing trading and scalping, I'll show you. Okay. So I don't move this yet. If I was scalping, I would move this right now. If I was scalping, I would move this right now. Once we break this high, then I'll move this to this pivot. Then we're swinging, right? That's a swing. And we might not even get there, though. I'm going to take us out here. Who knows? Could enter a trading range, small trading range. Pandas. We hit max today. That's what we're jumping on sim, if you don't know. Pandas, put in the comments how much money you think I've made so far today with that trade. With this, once this is done, this trade is done, how much money do you think I've actually made today yet? What's the premium for those 200? Who knows? Okay, we're still in the scalping area. We have to break this high in order to swing properly. The market's always breaking out of something. Okay, pretty deep push down. Might take me out here. Entering a limit order market, as you can see, right, with the bull bar ending on its high, you can see we're entering a limit order market. It makes me want to buy here, but we made enough money today. We certainly have. Maybe a failsafe entry long setting up here. I almost want to buy again down here. It's noticing we're in the limit order market. Yeah, it makes sense to buy here. Two pushes down. Okay, nice. Trap, we're about to trigger here. Trap does trigger with outside bar reversal. Might take me out. Sitting on my pause. We're in such a strong uptrend. I mean, do you really want to go short?
2500 tick trap.
Do you really want to go short? We're in such a strong uptrend. We're still swinging, right? The moment we break this high, I move this to this pivot low. That's how you move your swing stops.
2500 tick trap.
But we gotta break this high first. Jeez, the 2500 tick chart hasn't touched the 20 EMA in quite some time since the market opened. It hasn't touched the 20 EMA this entire time. This cluster here makes me feel like trading range may happen for a lot longer than we think. Right? This choppiness here that happened, I'm not sure if you saw, but when these candles formed right here, it kind of did something crazy. It was super volatile, went up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. Okay. We are still not, we still haven't made a swing yet. As you can tell, we're just going up and down, up and down. We haven't made any direction yet. All right, we're just trading range currently. High or low here? Pandas, how much money do you think I've made so far? Roshkin, do you trade option spreads or are you taking out full shares? This is futures. We're trading futures. Futures is its own derivative, its own instrument. It's highly leveraged. The Nascraq leveraged 20x right now. The Nascraq, that's what we call it. We call it Nascraq because it's absolutely cracked out of its mind. We still haven't broken this high, so I'm not even moving the stop. But once we break this high, I literally move. I'm gonna move this right here. That's my swing stop. After we break that high, after we break this high, that's our swing stop. That's how little we've moved for our swings. Right, higher highs, higher lows. That's what we're hoping. Are there not futures are options? The futures is they are options. They are options. Futures contracts. Well, actually no. Are futures options? I don't know. They're future contracts, but there's no options for futures market. There are options for the the Nasdaq. It's his own thing. But if there's option futures, I don't know about it. I don't trade it. But I don't think there is. I mean, because the Nascraq is already a derivative, it's already leveraged, and they already have options for the Nasdaq itself. But for the futures, there are futures options, so you can even leverage these even more. That's completely wild. That's insane. I mean, we're just loving this trading range. What can I say? We're absolutely loving it. Doesn't stop me out here, perhaps. It's a fails like entry long, which is nice, right? Double top. Triple top actually fails like entry long. That's a really good short. It's a very good short trade here, in my opinion. Very good short trade. Only problem is it's like in the middle of a trading range though. But setup wise, right, 1, 2, 3 hits. Think of a reversal. Not bad. Not too shabby for a trade. Like if you took that trade, like that's pretty good. If that's like the setups you wait for. You got triple top 1, 2, 3 attempts in the second. The third attempt doesn't even go higher than the second attempt. Right, it's getting lower, showing the weakness. Feels like entry long here. I mean, it's a good setup in my opinion. If those are the setups you're waiting for, then you're gonna do fine. You might lose one or two. I mean, you will lose some. Like you might lose this one, but even if you lose this one, if that's the setups you're waiting for, you're doing great, my friend. Wow, there's nothing stopping this market though. It is a complete trading range though. Isn't that amazing? Like this trading range, how perfect it is. I drew these lines based off this pivot and this like cluster here, and we've abided by it for so long. I just want to show you a swing. The next time we break this high, I'm going to move my stop loss to this pivot. Not much, but that's what it is. Looks like we're popping up now. Could be a decent push-up. Essentially failed to reverse. Now the continuation has a strong chance to have some continuation here. 2500 takes our notice. We haven't even touched the 20 EMA yet. Still, second entry long though. ABC A first entry, first pullback, first entry, second pullback, second entry. ABC, that's what we call it. ABC, and then A. Right, that's the second entry. It's an ABC pattern. It's much easier to say than first pullback, first entry, second pullback, second entry. Higher low here. 67% of you guys think I've made over $500,000 today. Ugh. Imagine making $500,000 in one day. Imagine that, pandas. Imagine making $500,000 in one single day. How many years' salary is that for you? But think about like a billionaire. That's pretty much how much they make every day. If you make $1 billion a year, how much is that per day? If you make $1 billion per year, how much is that per day?
2,500 tick trap.
A billion divided by 365. You're making $2 million a day. If you make $1 billion a year, you're making $2 million a day. Just give me 1 day's worth of profits, please. That's all I want. Just give me that. I can confirm. While I can confirm. 2.7 mil a day. That's just silly. Silly Willy. This is chump change. What am I doing? If I want to get to the billionaire status, I got to be trading at least 1,000 contracts per trade. What am I doing? This is nothing. You would literally just be a market mover. When you buy, the market will go up if you trade 1,000 contracts at a time. Step it up. 100 contracts is nothing. All right. 215, 785.
$2,500 tick trap.
We're going to make it an even 1,000 contract trade. Even 1,000. See how high we can fly. I'm certain my ninja is going to break here. It's just going to flop. I'm certain it's going to break here. Almost guarantee it my ninja is going to freeze. And we're going to have to end the stream. I'm almost certain it will. Okay, can we do it? Can we do it? We're still trying to fill 1,000 contracts, pandas. We are in. Look at that. That looks crazy. That's what we're talking about. That's what we're talking about. 1,000 contracts. I can't even move my chart. I can't move it, pandas. I simply cannot move my charts right now. I cannot move it. I'm stuck. It's stuck right now. I can't do anything. We are absolutely stuck. We are frozen in time. I'm trying to make little movements here and there just to see if my ninja stop freezing. And the moment it unfreeze, oh, there it is. Boom, 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 boom. All right, not too bad. Only took like a minute or two. Wow. All right, let's see if we can get it. 1,000 contracts, pandas. Let's see if we can get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Oh, man, this guy went 10,000 contracts. What am I doing in my life? What am I doing with my life? All right, pandas, we are popping up here. I think we can hit this target. Let's see. Technically, I move my swing stop right here. I think we can still move the swing stop. If we get another swing, I'll move it again. $500,000 on this one trade so far. This pull is done. I mean, who cares? Who cares at this point? 1,000 contract trade. Have you seen a more beautiful thing ever? Whoa. Pandas, don't forget, tomorrow is the last day to take advantage of code BBM for 80% off. Make sure you take advantage of it. Utilize it. Stock up. What in the world? All right, getting a little pop up here. Once we break this high, I'll move my stop loss. I want to make at least $1 million on this one trade. At least. That's chump change when it comes to making billions. What am I trying to become? Half a billionaire? Nah, I'm going to become a billionaire. You got to make at least $1 million here on this one trade. At least. The 5-minute candles, we only had one single bar breaking a previous. Sorry, let me correct that. We had two actually. One here and one here. This is a second push up. Actually, no. Well, technically, yeah, I guess. Yeah, I guess. Technically. This could really go up for a long, long time, pandas. On bull days like this, you just let it fly. You do not counter trend trade on days like today. Do not counter trend days. Do not counter trend trade on days like today. Jeez. What a tongue twister. Okay, let's see. Second entry long here. Okay. It's the time. It's about that time.
$2,500 tick trap.
Oh boy. Oh boy. This is gonna explode. This is gonna explode. Get ready, pandas. Get ready. Oh man, it's taking me out. It's a shame. It's a darn shame. It's not over till it's over, pandas. It's not over till it's over. And it's over. Well, I still have 100 contracts just floating around somewhere. Made $611,000 today, pandas. What a terrible day. Ugh. Couldn't even make $1 million. What am I doing with my life? How am I going to ever become a billionaire if I can't make at least $1 million today? Oh, jeez. Snap back to reality. Oop, there goes gravity. Pandas, we made max today. Pandas, I was just fooling around on Sim because we hit max. If you guys don't know, there is a consistency rule when it comes to Apex. And you can't make more than 30% on one single day of your account profits. So on the 150K accounts is what we're trading. Top left of your screen, you can see that you can only, if you want to pull out at $5,100, which is the minimum you need to withdraw, then the max you can make is around 1,500. You can make a little like 1,530 essentially. 15, yeah, 33, I guess. That's how much you can make per day max, and we hit that a long time ago. So pandas, this was all fun and games. We already hit max. We got our goal, and that is what it is, pandas. Hope you guys enjoyed today's stream. Tomorrow, I'll see you guys bright and early, same time, 9:15 a.m. Eastern time. And remember, tomorrow's the last day you can use the code. So tonight is the last night you can use it. Hopefully you guys take advantage of it. I think you should, because Apex has been a little bit stingy on their discounts, on their promos. So I'll take advantage of it while you can. And I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. Hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you scalp that like button. With all that being said, pandas, as always, happy trading. God bless. Bye. Yeah.